Hey beautiful people, it's Huda from Wishful. Today I want to show you guys our latest release from Wishful, and that is our beautiful, amazing Clean Genie. I am so obsessed with this product on so many levels because I love makeup. Although Wishful has made me love to show my natural skin much more, and I've never felt more comfortable in my own skin, I have been known to love a cake face. And a lot of our makeup at Huda Beauty has been formulated to be very, very long lasting. Many of you may know that we actually created something not too long ago, makeup removing balm, and we released it when we released Lifeliner. And you may have seen those videos showing how effective it was in actually removing Lifeliner. And we knew that it was going to be so amazing. It was going to be something that we would want to keep around forever. And that's why we later on created Clean Genie. Now, Clean Genie is a new and improved version of our makeup remover balm. This has a lot of amazing ingredients in it. It still has that really buttery, beautiful, delicious, creamy texture that does remove makeup really gently, but it has been infused with some really amazing ingredients like green tea, malachite, and also cherry blossom. So what do all these ingredients do? Green tea actually helps to prolong moisturization in your skin, and it actually clarifies and pulls out any impurities in your skin. Malachite is actually a crystal, and it's known for its amazing properties to help detox the skin. And cherry blossom actually helps to condition your skin and make sure that it's soft and supple. So let's talk about the claims, because you guys know we love to do claims tests. 96% of the people who tried Clean Genie said that their skin felt really soft and there was no residue left on their skin. 96% of the people agreed that Clean Genie was super gentle on their skin. And 96% of people also agreed that all the dirt, the grime, excess oils were completely removed from their skin with Clean Genie. This has also been tested by ophthalmologists as well as dermatologists to make sure it's safe for your eyes and safe for your skin and does not cause breakout. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use this now. It's really, really simple. It's really easy. If you're like me, then you like to double cleanse, and this is the best way for you to actually begin the removal of your makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up. You don't really need too much of the product. I'm just going to grab about this. It's about a dime size. I'm just scooping it up with my finger and I'm going to work it into my hands. And I'm just going to start removing my makeup. I already removed my lashes, so you know I have nothing there. And you really want to be kind of gentle around your eye area. I sometimes will just let it sit there for a minute around my eyes. I work it around my face, my jawline. I have waterproof mascara on, so I'm just going to apply a coat on the lashes. Okay, we are now going to remove my makeup. You can see I have a lot on. Woo! That's literally my handprint right there. I'm going to do the other side now. And we haven't even done the lips yet. You should be really gentle. Do not tug on your skin. I'm doing small little patting motions. Okay. Wow. Look at this. Front and back. All from that tiny amount that I use on my entire face. I wear waterproof makeup everywhere. Clean Genie has really made my makeup removing experience kind of enjoyable. I'm gonna go do the second part of my cleanse now, so I'm gonna go, but I hope that you guys can see how easy and how effective and just how amazing this product is at removing your makeup. I can't wait to see all your Clean Genie pics. Make sure you hashtag Clean Genie. Show us all the makeup, all the removal. We wanna see it all for our selfie Sundays. And I'll talk to you guys so soon. Bye, my loves.